Well, this site is obviously a construction site. There was a stream running basically right through the middle of it. It has been moved with permission for Fisheries and Oceans Canada. Provincial government has gone through all those appropriate channels, no pun intended, but I'll take it. This stream, as we are looking at it now, has been totally created from virtually nothing. So we sampled this last year after 1 year, and we got 21 coho salmon juveniles, so this size kind of thing. And I believe it was 7 small cutthroat in the full 3 reaches. So far we have done just the lower reach, and we got 11 coho and 10 cutthroat trout already. Part of it is monitoring to see the effectiveness of what we have done. And then one of the metrics of that is fish population. So we're sampling with an electroshocker, and we are able to stun the fish. So the value of a little stream like this, it's not Gold Stream where we have, hundreds of chum salmon spawning, but Craigflower Creek is right over there. And what you'll have is in the winter, when that was running at 1 degree Celsius, this was 5. Now I think it's at 5, Craigflower is. This is 7 to 10. There's a few warm springs coming in. So those provide warmer water for a cold-blooded fish, which will home in on that. Their metabolism is higher, they're able to feed. You've got some footage of some of these fish, and they're all very robust, very fat-looking fish. So healthy. The coho salmon that we've got are probably going to go to sea in a couple of months' time, maybe. We did find one little spawning red, or a nest, but what they call them, a red, up here last week from a cutthroat trout. So we will have some recruitment that way too. A stream like this, as we look at it, you can see all these little stakes around. They've been planted with willow whips and red osier dogwood. My hope is that you can come back here in 5 years' time and take the same camera shot and you won't see anything. It'll be just totally covered over with shrubs that'll shade the stream, prevent, or reduce the amount of predation from kingfishers, blue herons, otters, mink, and things like this.